You'll stop wasting 2 to 3 hours daily chasing scattered Azure settings. This video reveals 10 native Azure features that cut hours off your day. Stick with me. I'll show you real commands and use cases from production environments. Ever felt lost across dozens of subscriptions, VMs, DNS zones? Well, in the next 6 to 8 minutes, you'll see 10 Azure tools you already own that reclaim your time. We'll go feature by feature with actual queries, portal steps, and impact numbers. By minute 4, you'll know exactly how to get started. Feature number 1, Azure Resource Graph, your infrastructure X-ray vision. One query can list all VMs, storage accounts, or any resource across all subscriptions. Here's a sample. With this single KQL query, you audit 500 plus VMs in 10 seconds, instead of jumping through 20 portal pages. Feature number 2, Azure Arc. Bring Azure's control plane to anywhere, on-prem, multi-cloud, edge. You manage servers, Kubernetes clusters, SQL databases under one roof. No more hopping between tools for on-prem versus cloud. Use commands like az connected machine, connect -- resource group, rg1 -- location, east us -- name, my machine. This gives you tagging, monitoring, and policy enforcement everywhere. In a hybrid environment with 50 servers, that's hours saved per week. Feature number 3, Azure DNS Private Resolver. Remove headaches of VM-based DNS servers. It's fully managed, high availability, and bridges DNS resolution between Azure and on-prem without custom VMs. You deploy inbound plus outbound endpoints, set forwarding rule sets, and link VNets. No more patching DNS VMs or failing over your own resolver. Feature number 4, Azure Communication Services. Embed voice, chat, video in your apps, just like Teams. No need to spin up external communication infrastructure or microservices. You can use SDKs, C#, JavaScript to build chat widgets, telephony, SMS. All with built-in identity and compliance. This avoids hours of integration and debugging. Feature number 5, Azure Static Web Apps Enterprise Edge. Globally distributed static front ends with dynamic APIs with zero ops. Push code, it replicates across edge locations for millisecond response. Integrate with Azure Functions, API management, etc. You skip managing CDN, caching, scaling. When traffic spikes, it just works, saving you maintenance time. Feature number 6, Azure Blueprints. Package ARM templates, policies, role assignments into reusable governance blueprints. Create standards once, deploy hundreds of compliant environments in minutes. No more manual guardrails or policy drift. With blueprints, a 30-minute environment may take 3 minutes. Feature number 7, Azure Automation State Configuration. Automate desired state for Windows, Linux, VS Code, etc. Write DSC scripts or manage configurations per VM. If someone drifts from baseline, it self-heals. You remove the manual fix drift steps. For 100 machines, that's hours saved monthly. Feature number 8, Azure Advisor, your hidden recommendations engine. It constantly surfaces cost, performance, reliability, security suggestions. Turn on auto-apply for low-risk recommendations. Don't spend hours pouring portal. It shows VM right sizes, idle resources, SKUs. In one click, save $200 plus /month or remove waste. Feature number 9, Azure Custom Providers. Make Azure aware of your own services /APIs. You expose your microservices as Azure resource types. Then you can use ARM templates and policies as if they were native. No more glue scripts or custom calls for non-Azure APIs. This unity saves dev and ops handoffs daily. Feature number 10, Azure Machine Learning AutoML. Build predictive models without deep data science. You feed data, choose target, AutoML tries algorithms, returns best model. No manual hyperparameter tuning. You can deploy in minutes rather than weeks. For business cases, that's days saved. Hold on, quick recap. You've met features 1 through 10 that replace tedious manual work with native Azure capabilities. A few tips. Always test resource graph queries in read-only subscriptions. Use blueprints with change control guardrails. DNS resolver endpoints need 28 to 24 subnets and no overlap. Content reference redo, monitor cost for DNS resolver traffic. Use versioning for custom providers so you don't break templates. These ensure reliability rather than chaos. Let's wrap up. You've seen 10 Azure features that offload hours of toil, from graph queries to DNS, governance, automation, and ML. You don't need exotic tools. Azure already gives them. Here's what you do next. 1. Try Resource Graph and enable Advisor Auto-Apply today. 2. Pick one advanced feature, Arc, Blueprints, DNS Resolver, to pilot this week. 3. Share your feedback or questions below. If this video helped, like it, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep Azure strategies. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing how these features transform your Azure workflow. Stay efficient, keep innovating, and see you in the next video.